Riddle bear.
Oh, there's people out there. That's not good.
Riddley.
Where is he? Riddles!
Oh boy. Riddley, where's the frisbee? Oh boy. Come here, Riddles.
He wants that ball. No, look, he's using it as a shovel.
That was. It's probably broken. Oh, he's peeing. Good. Oh boy. Oh boy. Not much.
See him on the dunes?
Yeah. That's pretty cool. What's the chance that they'll do that again? Oh boy. Come on, Riddles. Made it. Yeah. Whoa. Yes. No. Just wind and waves, yeah.
Is that where the ball went?
Come on, Riddles. It's somewhere down there. He's peeing or pooping. Or digging. Great.